Hey friends, if you encounter NETERR cert date invalid Google Chrome error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, this error is associated with the certificate of certain websites that you're trying to access, or maybe all websites on Google Chrome. So, in this case, our first approach should be to check the date and time. And how would we do that? Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Time and Language tab on the list on the left hand side, select Date and Time in the right pane. Now make sure that all these three switches are on for set time automatically, set date, time zone automatically, and show the time, and then click on Sync Now. Okay, so once you get this tick here, it means that it has synced, and then you can try opening it once again. The next one is to remove extensions from your computer, or sorry, from your Google Chrome browser. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and click on Chrome, and then click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then you can go and select settings, and then you can select this option for extensions here. And I have an extension here, so I will disable it and check if it helps. If it does, then I will simply remove it. Okay, the next solution is to update Google Chrome to the latest version. It's easy. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, scroll down and click on Help, and then select About Chrome. It will start updating Chrome automatically and update it to the latest version. And the last solution is to reset Chrome. How will you reset Chrome? So, here's what you have to do. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select Settings from the menu. Go to the Reset Settings tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Restore Settings to the original default and select Reset Settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.